Hello there, my name is Squalo and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, this is an emergency Bitcoin update, guys and girls, because it's time for Bitcoin to break out. So you have to be ready, and if you're not ready yet, then let me make you ready. So make some noise on the comments for Mr. Spot On as always. As I told you yesterday, that I'm more inclined to actually short Bitcoin than long it with that supposed breakout. So hopefully you've listened to me and saved yourself a bit of money and didn't do anything stupid. So in this video, let's talk about the possibilities and what's about to come in Bitcoin and the things that you should be aware of right now. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when I make a new upload. Super important. And down in the description of this video, there is a link to my free Telegram channel so that you're always alerted when the market is on the move, because it's a lot easier for me to make a post in the Telegram channel than to actually make a YouTube video. So join my Telegram channel right now. All the links down in the description. And let's just get right into this topic, right? So this is going to be a short video, the update of what's going on. And again, I'm reporting from sunny Dubai and going to downtown again with a bunch of meetings and stuff that I'm doing for my hedge fund, which is awesome times as always. But nonetheless, I'm still always there for you guys and girls. Okay, so let's go straight to the chart, and we're gonna see that so we've readjusted this resistance correctly, and currently we are waiting for a breakout out of this falling wedge right here, which has been happening for quite some time. And quite honestly, it is a very big question whether we can expect it to break up or down. And everybody's always asking, Thomas, is it gonna break up or down? Now let's talk about the potential for it to break up or down. And there are two things that you have to consider. This is the thing number one. So it's a fundamental thing that the Fed is going to have a huge meeting tomorrow, which I did tell you about already in the last few videos. So this is going to be reason number one. So wait until tomorrow and let's see what Fed decides. If it's going to be 50 basis points and no stupid closing remarks or nothing, you know, it's not something that is going to make life of our traders very difficult, then it might actually be breaking above, because again, market is already pricing in these Fed rate hikes. So this is something that unless they're gonna do something unpredictable and something that the market hasn't priced in yet, then we're gonna see a big sell-off. So wait until tomorrow, super important. Now, if you want to be getting ready and trading actively yourself, then go into the description of this video right now or into the pinned comment and use my exclusive link with Bybit. That's what it looks like. And open an account, and when you use my link and open an account using my link, then you will get a $4,100 deposit bonus on top of your initial deposit, guys and girls. This is huge. And also a 0% maker trading fees. Epic, right? So go ahead and get ready for these epic trades. Now let's move on. And by the way, if you are still not participating in Crollo trading online competition with a $50,000 prize pool over on Bybit, then go down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment and register your free participation and win huge prizes. And also the top winner is going to take a guaranteed seat at Crollo Trading Show Season 2, which is amazing. Okay, so let's go to the technicals right now. And I think that technically the reason number two for it to break actually above at some point and actually push ourselves to at least $42,000 would be my technical target in this area right here. And the reason why I'm thinking that this is a potential, number one, because we have, now let me select the brush, because we have the falling wedge, and technically they usually break more above than below. But also this whole scenario that we are seeing, this whole, let me select the brush yet again. This whole scenario that we are currently seeing right here is incredibly similar to what we have seen previously right here. And let me make it a bit smaller like this. So to this falling wedge, to this falling wedge right here. So this was also, let you know what, right here. So this was also a falling wedge that actually broke, ended up breaking above. So, and this is what this looks like again right here. And again, remember that I told you, And I told you many times before that currently with all the on-chain data and with everything that we are seeing currently, there is more likelihood for Bitcoin to actually break above than below. Certainly we can do some liquidity grab, etc., grab some liquidity below, and I mean this is something that again with high volatility is possible, but nonetheless I'm not saying Bitcoin really go below 30, 33, 34,000 dollars, as I said previously in my previous prediction, just because of all the on-chain metrics and just in general what's going on and how Bitcoin has been surviving COVID, Chinese FUD, and all other stuff. So, and this is something that if you want to be familiar with, then you can always go to my older YouTube videos and check them out. So this is what I'm preparing for, and I'm actually, to be honest, I want to see how this whole situation is going to play out right here, and I'm considering to put in a large long trade if this actually is going to play out, and we're going to see a beautiful breakout tomorrow out of this flag right here, because the breakout is coming either below or above. And I'm thinking that, of course, remember that us as traders and as professional traders, we need to entertain both possibilities, both longing possibilities as well as shorting possibilities. So if it's going to break below with a lot of volume and there's going to be a confirmation or potential retest of this wedge, then go into a short trade. And I mean we as traders can only follow what the market tells us, right? But I'd love to actually go into a long trade and see a real nice breakout of this wedge, and also confirmation potentially to actually scale the trade bigger than usual and play it up to at least $42,000. And to have, as I mentioned in the previous video, the first take profit could be around $41,000, the second one could be around $42,300, and you remember exactly why $42,300 is important if you've been watching my videos from the beginning and until the end. And as for me, wish me some luck doing some fundraising today yet again, and then I have a lot of stuff this month in general. I have to be in Monaco for a week, and I'm gonna take you guys to Monaco together with me. I'm gonna spend a lot of time there, do a lot of crazy fun stuff, and as always, peace and love. Make some noise out of the comments for Mr. Spot On. Tell me whether you're bullish, if you're bearish, on what the hell is going on in your own trading and how you're doing. I'm really interested, and I'm actually reading all the comments as always. And thank you very much for your attention. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.